I'm gonna be working on the heater today, Airtronic, or I'm gonna try to zoom in. Dispatcher 2.2 kilowatt heater. So this is how it looks like. Intake, exhaust, and very small tiny line. It's a fuel. And this is a pump that supplies fuel to the heater. So to take this cover off, I'm gonna have to pry one clip in here and another one in here, and this thing comes out. Okay, to take this cover, we're gonna pry with a screwdriver. Like that, and then it should come out, and then over here. Okay. Next, we're gonna use T20 Torx to unscrew this module. All right, and then to take this module off, there is two clips right here. One side, the other side, so we're gonna have to squeeze those clips and pull this module up. Okay, and this thing comes out. Now, with a screwdriver, we're gonna pry over here to get these wires off. Just like that. Now we're gonna flip it back. Now we're gonna disconnect the wiring off of this module. So on this side, try to flip it. So there's a connector, I believe this one for a fan. So disconnect this one. Then there's 2 or 3 plugins here. So we disconnect this one, and the module is out. So now we're gonna be getting this unit off of this plastic cover. In order to do that, so we're gonna have to pry it over here, push it over here, and that should come out. Like that. To get this sensor out, so there is a clip right here. I'm gonna push it down and move it towards me. And then sensor is off. So now we're gonna get T25, I believe, and I screw. And unscrew 4 bolts. Now we're gonna separate. Oh, I guess it came out easy. All right, so this is the intake part. This is how it looks like. This is a part number of a motor. I'm gonna be cleaning this. Alright, next thing, we take this rubber boot off of this glow plug, and then with a 12mm, you could get the special socket that goes over here and unscrew it from here. But otherwise, if you get this boot out, you can use 12 millimeter wrench and then unscrew it from here. We're unscrewing those three bolts. I'm gonna slide the whole thing out. So carefully pulling a little bit for that rubber, and then the rest getting out that way. So this is how it looks like inside. Okay, so we're gonna install filter. This is brand new filter. Okay, I have new parts, 2 seals, a screen, a tool to install the atomizer. That's an atomizer. New clip and a piece of rubber. Also new glow plug.